Hi, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. I'm going to show you now how to do tags the cheats way. So I have just done a video review of a book called The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. I've uploaded my thumbnail. But before I start, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notifications button, and share, and then you'll get top tips as they happen. Right, tags. If you've got VidIQ, this is the cheats way. VidIQ, if I've just searched online for the Slight Edge review. Right. So if you look at this one, he's had 273,000 views. So all you do is you click on the video that you want to cheat with and see what tags they've got. And you're also looking at the title. So he's got 52.4. The higher that score there, if it's bad, it's red. If it's medium, it's amber. When it turns green, you know you've got it sussed. So he is an okay tags person to copy. But look at the difference with this one. Look at the score here, 70. You can't get much better than that. Now, so I'm going to try and get mine at 70. And you'll see that I actually can't. So if you click that, you've copied the tags to the clipboard. So you can actually copy the tags into here, look. So that's really good. Keyword score is nearly green and green. Excellent. He's got Jeff Olson, Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. Julian himself doesn't make any sense for mine, so you just get rid of that one. Now, what is the score of my video? See, it's 41 point. Now that's quite good actually. Let's just see if I can open my Tubebuddy thing to see if I can get it higher. Okay, one trick that I can show you is, obviously you do your description here, but you can actually put it in twice and get rid of the ones that you've already got rid of. And another top tip is put your name in. Then when they're on the side, you know when you do a search and they're all at the side here, the ones with Millionaire Mom in will be lined up like magic. Top tip from the top here. Okay, now how to get it higher is the description. So what you need is a good title. Now I like his title. His title was The Slight Edge, Turning Simple Disciplines into Massive Success. We could actually see what happens if we just put Slight Edge in. I like that one. You have to understand this to become successful. I quite like that one. Here we go. Keyword score. Search volume good. Overall poor. So you need something within the Slight Edge. So you need a long tail keyword. As you can see, he's only got the title of the book and a link to Amazon, which is, we're not going to do that. We're actually going to put Slight Edge review, and then we're going to put a description how you can make simple discipline habits and disciplines make you successful. So what else can I do to make it? I like this. I think I'm going to grab this one. So I'm going to see if I can copy it. So you always need to sort of mold yourself and duplicate what the big wigs are doing. A score of 41.8 at the moment. Now, let me show you how it goes up to about 60. I shall put a link in there afterwards. Right, you click public. You've done your thumbnail, which here's one I made earlier, and you publish it. So it's 41.8. I've done an end screen, because that's quite easy to do as well. Then you have to share it to Facebook and Twitter and whoever else they tell you to share it to, if you've got an account with them. So you share it to Twitter. Obviously, don't forget your hashtags. Hashtag Slight Edge and hashtag Jeff Olsen. Right? So then you put it on Facebook. So once you've shared it, you need to add it to a playlist. So if you haven't got a playlist for this, you can put the Slight Edge and by Jeff Olsen and create. This will put your score up. So once I refresh it, so you see it's gone up 25 points to 66.8. So that's quite good on the scale. So that's how you do it, guys. Use VidIQ and Tubebuddy together to see if you can get your score up. But if it's 40, don't worry, or 20, you know, if it's 25, it will always go up once you've published it, shared it, and put it on a playlist. See you next time. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and share. Bye, guys.